I am looking for a good, solid buying opportunity on gold and silver over into June and July, particularly after the FOMC statement or around the FOMC statement, which is not far away now. It's approximately 3 weeks away. Now, for the minutes of the FOMC yesterday, overall, the market seemed to take that as certainly the US dollar weakened initially. Off the back of that, we also saw some strength into the close on gold and silver, but a lot of that has been faded. We've seen those rallies get sold into. The rally on gold and silver hasn't really managed to continue to the upside. The US dollar index stopped selling off this morning and started to retrace and go higher again. The overall consensus is that the Fed will hike at the June meeting. That's the overall consensus. There is a bit of skepticism because of both the weaker economic data and still low inflation, but overall, the overall consensus is that they will go ahead and hike at the FOMC statement on the 14th of June. Now, you have to remember, I'm sure a lot of you are aware of this anyway, but there are 8 FOMC statements a year. 4 of those are really big, high impact because we, of course, have Janet Yellen delivering a press conference afterwards, which could cause more volatility. And the one coming up in June, on the 14th of June, is one of those big statements. So it only happens once per quarter. That it gives a really big trading opportunity off the back of that announcement. So that is not too far away, about 2.5 to 3 weeks away. But overall, gold currently is running out of steam. I'm looking to see whether we will start to break down lower. You could argue here that technically we have the potential for a bear flag if we were to break below yesterday's low here and then roll over and move back towards the lower end of this channel. Gold and silver short-term overbought as well, although they've got quite a lot of underlying support. So I suspect they will either potentially retrace and go lower here, or they'll just consolidate and won't really do too much today. We might just see it stay within this range. Now, if we do, the confirmation for a buy would be, in my point of view here, would be a break above the 1260 to 1265 zone. We get that, we break out to the upside, and then I will be looking for some solid follow through. But right now, I don't have a reason to suspect that we are going to break out to the upside. In fact, the bear camp right now has the edge with gold and silver because of the failed breakout that we got yesterday. Even with a breakout to the daily highs and closing near the daily highs, we're still getting lower highs here over the week and lower lows. So overall, gold is in a short-term downward trend. You can see very clearly that on my chart here as well. So I would be aware of that too.